Yeah, greetings of the day. So on this day, in this video, we are going to install Tomcat and execute the first servlet program. Okay, so let's begin. So open Tomcat page. What we need to do is we need to open the web browser and then we need to search for Tomcat download. Let us download Java first. So if you have Java installed in your system, skip this video a little bit. So I'm going to install JDK download. So open oracle.com Java technologies. So Java downloads. In Java downloads, you are having JDK 2.3. So latest is JDK 2.3 as of now, but it says after March 2025, it is going to start JDK 2.24. Okay. So go to Windows operating system because mine is Windows operating system. So download Oracle, yeah, compressed archive. So I'm downloading this compressed archive. So it will start downloading. Yeah. So you download that. Once the download is over, so here we got the download option. Yeah. So once the zip file is downloaded, unzip that file. So extract all, extract. It will take a couple of minutes. Let it extract. Right. So just check it out. We got the folder. Just copy that folder, Control C. I'm copying this folder. Show more options, copy. Then open your C drive, program files, C drive, program files. In that you have Java folder. So Control V paste over here. So already I have that folder. So it is asking me whether to replace it or not. I say continue, continue. Do this for all current items. So this is step one. So we are ready with our JDK. I already had JRE also. You can also download JRE and same copy and paste the folder. JRE also has some bin files, legal files, library files. You can download JRE also. So what I do is I open JDK. Here I'm having bin config. Just check in big. We are having all APIs. Okay. Now let us come back. So we are standing over here where in C drive, program files, Java. Just a second. This, yeah. Now copy the path. Copy the path. Then go to environment variables. Just type, click on start button, search for environment, edit the system environment variables. So here we have environment variables. Then click on environment variables. So here we are having system variables and user variables. In system variables, we need to create Java home and JRE home. So now let us click on new. Okay. So type Java underscore home hyphen Java underscore home. Paste this particular path that we copied. See program files Java JDK 23.0.2. Okay. Press on okay. Then let us come back to the folder. We are in Java again. Back in Java, we are having JRE also. Just copy the path of JRE. Copy. Then go back to the environment variables, click on new. So type JRE underscore home. JRE underscore home, then paste the path. Okay. Okay. So now we are in this particular process. Then what you do is open path variable if it has. Otherwise, create a new path variable. Already I have this path variable. Let us click on new or edit, whatever you want. So already I have pasted here Java -home %/bin. So this is going to embed the Java files here as your path. So what you have to write? Parse percentage Java underscore home %/bin. This is what you need to write. So I'll show you again. So one please. So what you're going to do is %Java underscore home %/bin. Java underscore home %/bin. Sorry, this is //bin. So this is what you need to write in the path variable. What we have done so far, we have created Java underscore bin, home. Then we copied the path Java underscore bin home, and we copied the path Java underscore home. This is the path. Then Java underscore JRE, Java runtime environment. So, JRE underscore home, not Java underscore home. JRE underscore home. So the path that we copied is, this is the path that I have in my machine. So you have to do the same thing. Then this is path. If already path is there, edit that one. Don't create again. Don't delete existing path. If any softwares are there like Oracle, MySQL, they will be lost. Okay. So now click on OK. Click on OK. So now let us check whether these things have been set or not. So what you do is open command prompt by typing cmd command prompt. Then check Java -version. So you can see the same version. Okay, 23.0.1. So let us say echo %Java underscore home %. So we got Java home, that is set. Then echo %JRE underscore home %. So we got the JRE path also. That's great. So path, or you can say where Java. So where Java is going to give you the path of java.exe file. Where space Java. Okay. So exit this command prompt. Our Java is working fine. Now navigate to the browser back and download Tomcat. Just go to Google, then say download Tomcat. So open the first one. So here, just down, come to the down. Here you are having binary distributions core in the form of a zip file. Just click on that. It starts downloading. So it got downloaded. Unzip that file. Extract all. Extract. So it will take a couple of seconds. So we got Apache Tomcat unzipped. So we have all the folders and files required. So now what we do over here is we copy this folder that which is unzipped. Okay, we copy, right click, show more options, copy. Okay, done, no issue. Then navigate to D drive or any folder you want to execute or your program. So I went to D drive, then I clicked on new folder. So here I say Tomcat apps. I want to create a folder where I want to do Tomcat applications. So I have created this folder in D drive. Then I pasted that particular folder that is unzipped, Apache Tomcat. Okay. So this folder is having Tomcat files. Let's open the config and configure the users. Okay. So config, here you can see Tomcat users. We have a file called as Tomcat users.xml file. Just right click that one and open with Notepad. edit Notepad. If you have Notepad++, just use it. Okay. So we got Tomcat user.xml file, Tomcat users.xml file. Just navigate to the bottom. Here you can see this code is in comment. This code is in comment. So what is my intention is to create one admin user with a password admin. So I want two roles, role name 1, role name 2, and one username. So I copy these 3 lines and paste after the comment at the bottom. Okay, after the comment. So one thing that I want to create is one role that I want to create is admin role. So here I say admin. So the username is also admin. Password, just I'm renaming in double quotes as admin. So roles are admin. One is admin role, another one is manager role. We have two roles. One is called as admin role, another one is called as the manager role. So what I do here is I'll say manager, because we are using a graphical user interface when we load a Tomcat application. I'll show that just now. So we write here GUI, manager hyphen GUI, Tomcat manager in terms of GUI. So I'll keep here roles admin, comma, manager hyphen GUI. So there is a lot of difference between a hyphen symbol and the underscore symbol. A lot of thing goes wrong. So don't forget to give minus symbol here for Java underscore home and JRE underscore home. Here it is hyphen. Then save this file. So what we have done is we have added these 3 lines where in Tomcat hyphen users.xml. This file is there in config folder. Okay. Let us save this one. Then close this file. Then let us go to command prompt. Open command prompt, CMD. So my command prompt is ready. So I say d5, let us go to that path, cd tomcat apps, then dir cd apache tab. Just I say ap tab, it is going to give me that one. Okay. Then cd bin cls, I'm clearing the screen. Okay. So what we have over here is we have dir star.batch files. What are the batch files we have? You can see here we have startup batch file, shutdown batch file. Shutdown is for shutting down the Tomcat server that is running. Startup is for running the Tomcat server. So let us type here startup.batch. So you can see the windows are opening, the Tomcat started running. See whether any errors are there, warnings are there. Warnings can be depreciable. You can ignore warnings, not an issue, but see whether you are going to get errors or not. Okay. In user.xml, what I have done is, config.xml, what I have done is, I have created admin username, admin as password. You can create your username and password. Okay. Even if you forget, just you can navigate to that particular file and you can rename the username and password. Okay. As of now, I have kept admin and admin. So you can see here the server has started. Now we can go to browser. So I'll try to open the browser and I'll create one more tab. So I say here localhost 8080. So if everything is good, see here our Tomcat started running, okay, in our local host. So here at the right hand side, you can see manager app. Click on that manager app. It is asking you username and password. Just you admin and admin. If you have created a different username and password, you can give the same over here. Just I'm clicking on sign in. So my Tomcat is asking me to save. I'm saving it. So here you can see that the Tomcat server is running fine. So till this part, what we have done is we have configured the Tomcat server. So of Tomcat, let us configure Maven. Okay, we are going to create a Maven-based web project. Okay, so in order to do that, open the browser. In Google Form, type maven.apache.org download. maven.apache.org download. Okay, press that one. Like the first one. So when you scroll down, you can see here files, binary zip archive, binary zip archive. So just click on that. The download will start. That's finished very fast. So just a second. So just let us know it is still downloading. Yeah. Okay. Big quick. Apache Maven bin.zip. Done. It is showing done and pause over here. Yeah. Let me again. Done. So let me check my downloads folder. Downloads. Apache Maven.bin. Right click. Extract all. Extract. So it is extracting us all the files. So after this, Apache Maven has been extracted. So it is having bin config bootlib. So let us come back, or let us copy this folder again. Let us do the same thing. So show more options, copy. Then let us go back to our D drive. This PC, D drive, Tomcat apps. So already we have here Apache Tomcat. So let us paste this Maven also over here, Apache Maven. So let us copy the path of this particular folder because we have to again configure the environment variable. So simply copy this one path, then open environment variables, edit system environment variables, again environment variables. Now here what we are going to do is we are going to create one Maven underscore home. So we also supposed to create one Maven underscore home. So create new Maven underscore home. Maven underscore home. Copy and paste that path that where we have kept that particular folder. Maven home. So click on OK. So this is the first thing. So what we have done, let us go to Notepad. Let us complete the, yeah. So after JRE home, what we have done is Maven underscore home. We have kept this one. Okay. The same thing here. What we have done, we have taken Java home slash bin. So we copy this one. We edit this one with Maven home. So here we have Java home. We modify with Maven home bin. So let us go to environment variable back. Here we have path variable. Click on edit. Click on new. Sorry. Cancel, click on edit path variable. Now here we have Java home.bin. So let us add the path over here. So let us say new, paste that one, Maven underscore home percentage slash bin. Click on OK. So click on OK. OK. So this is how we are going to change the environment variables. We are going to change the environment variables. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go to command prompt. So open command prompt, already command prompt is open. Just close whatever the open command prompts are there. So this is Tomcat running, right? Okay. So exit. What about this one? Okay, let us keep this one because it is Tomcat. Don't touch it. So open command prompt. Now here what we do is we are going to type the code maven-v, mvn-v. So what we are typing over here is in command prompt we are typing mvn space -v. Okay, mvn space v. So when we type and press enter, we are going to get all the details. So Apache Maven, which version? Maven home, the path, Java version, Java runtime edition, default local, operating system, all the details are displayed over here. So our Maven has been configured correctly so far. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we are going to open the Visual Code and we are going to download some extensions. So I'm starting Visual Code, Visual Studio Code. Am I sharing the screen? Yeah, great. So just let me maximize. Okay, great. Now here at the left hand side, you are having extensions. Just open that extensions. Now here we are going to install two extensions. We are going to install two extensions. Let us see what are those two extensions. So the first one that we are going to install over here is Maven, sorry, Project Manager by Microsoft. Project Manager by Microsoft. So let us go to that and type here Project Manager. So if you see the first one, what we got over here is Microsoft Project Manager for Java. Project Manager for Java. If you open this one, so minimize Project Manager for Java. We got already. I have installed this one. So if you haven't installed, just click on install. Wait for a couple of seconds. So that is Project Manager for Java. Java Project Manager. I'll try one more. Java Project Manager. Okay, Project Manager for Java is okay. So then second one is we have Maven for Java. Click Maven for Java. So you can have here Maven for Java by Microsoft. So same thing. Already I have installed Maven for Java. Uninstall Maven for Java because already we installed. Maybe that has installed. If not, just click on install. Wait for that. Okay. So Microsoft extension packs are installed. Tomcat Maven not required. What else we have? Uh, okay. So now let us do one thing. Let us add the folder. Let us go back to left hand side. So here file, open folder. So in D drive we are doing all this. So go to this PC, D drive, then Tomcat apps. So select Tomcat apps, select the folder. So yes, I trust the authors. Yes, I trust the authors. So you can see here it is doing some work. Contact rainflow support, please check your license. Okay. So now if you see here at the left hand side, you got Tomcat apps. Tomcat apps is there, outline, timeline. So here in Tomcat apps, we need to create one new folder. Okay. So in order to implement this one, so let us create one folder. So we are going to give a name for this folder. So we can give new or first project. So let us write first project. So after writing first project, right click it and say Maven, not getting Maven here. Open integrated terminal. Actually, I need to get here, yeah, Maven new project. Okay, Maven new project. Maven new project. Now you can see here at the right hand side, you are getting options. At the right hand side, you are getting options. So Maven Quick Start is a normal application. So JDK means if I'm having multiple Java installations, then I'm going to go with this option. I'm not going to use this one also. Then we have React.js blank architecture type. So this is an React.js based application. If you want to implement React.js here, then you can go with it. So I'm not going to touch this React.js now. We will be doing this later. We have web apps. So this is what we need to select. Maven architecture type web apps. The 1, 2, 3, 4th option. Just click on that. Now it is asking you which version you want to select. So I'll go with the latest one, 1.4. So click on 1.4. Now it is saying com.example. Okay. So either you can use com.example or demo1. So I'll write demo1. Okay. As my first application. Then press enter. So it is going to ask you what is the name demo. So I'm going to give here demo1. Then press enter. It is asking you to select the path, the folder. Already we have created the same path in D drive. Select the same path. Go to this VC, D drive, then Tomcat apps, Tomcat apps, first project, select destination folder. Okay, so it is configuring. It will take some time. Just wait for a couple of minutes, couple of seconds. Sorry. So it is downloading, installing. For the first time, it will take a little bit of time. From the second app, it doesn't take much time. So is it asking version 1.1 snapshot? Define value for the property version snapshot. So we can give a text image, text, or you can give 1.1 or any other thing. So I'll give 1.1 version for the snapshot. Now it is asking you to give S. So I give S over here, then press enter. So you can see here we got build success. At the right hand side, it is saying okay. Maven project demo1 is created under Tomcat. First demo1, click on OK. So if you can see here at the left hand side, you got first project demo. In that you got source files. So web inf file is there, web.xml file is there. Okay. So index.jsp is there. Hello world. I say hello Ali. I modified it. Save this file. Then here you have pom.xml. In pom.xml, if you see, you are having URL. So in the place of URL, you can configure gmail.com, facebook.com, your API, your URL, whatever you have purchased apart from Gmail, Facebook, etc., etc. So you are having project dependencies, builds, many things are there. All these are plugins, whatever the plugins we have configured. So here you can see all the project kind of plugins, and this is what we have pom.xml. So now here what we have done is we have created the demo1 application. Okay, first project demo1 application. So next what we are going to do is we are going to create a var file. So what we have done in this, we have opened web.inf. So web.xml is there. This is the XML file where we are going to modify as per the number of classes that we write, Java programs. Then index.jsp. So this is a JSP file. We are going to write servlets, not Java server pages as of now. In the next unit, we do that. So here what I have done is I have changed the name. That's it. Save the file. Then pom.xml, we are having all the builds as well as dependencies, plugins, all the information is there. So this is how we are going to create a Maven file architecture. So you can see at the bottom, you can see here Maven. Maven is also there. Initially, it was not there. So what we are going to do is just we are going to click on this first project, right click, then we are going to select open in integrated terminal. Open in integrated terminal. So just select that one. So you can see here we got the terminal. Then what we are going to do is we are going to type mvn clean package. So we are going to type mvn clean project. So mvn clean project is going to give us a target folder where we have the var file. So mvn clean project. Just type it. Wait for a couple of seconds. Oh, what happened? Build a failure. Why? First project. Open in integrated terminal, MVN. We must be in demo folder. dir cd demo one. Sorry, we are not in exact demo one folder. That's why we got the error. Okay, CLS. So we must be in demo one folder. Then say MVN clean project. Oh, why again? See the full stack trace error. MVN clean project. Scanning for projects. Com demo one. Yeah. MVN clean project. Not project, it is a package, I think so. Just let me type MVN clean package. Package or project? It is package, not project. Sorry, guys. So MVN clean package. So this is the right thing. MVN clean package. Now it is building the package. It is creating a var file. So that var file we can deploy in server. Thank God. All is well, all is well. So demo one, build success we got. Okay. So if you see here you got target folder. Initially target folder was not there. Just click it. We got demo one Maven archiver and demo one dot var file. So this is how we create a var file for any project. Okay. So we are going to deploy this var file into Tomcat. That is the next step. So the next step is installing Tomcat for Java extension. So go to extensions, then search for Tomcat for Java. Tomcat for Java. Tomcat for Java. Tomcat for Java. What happened? This got depreciated. Why? Tomcat for Java. Why striked off? So let us try to install. Oh, this extension is depreciated. Use community service connectors extension instead. Connect community service server connectors. Okay, let us try this one. So community server connectors. Let us use this one. So install. So Tomcat for Java is depreciated, means they are not providing any service. So they are asking us to use this particular package. So let us wait for installation. Community server connectors is installed. Thank God. So let us get back to our folder. So community service connectors is working fine. So at the bottom, you can see there are servers. So here we got servers option. Allow. So you can see here, we got servers option. Initially, it was not there. If you click on plus server, so Download server. So use server on disk, select this option. So already we have Apache Tomcat server in our D drive. So let us give the path. So D drive. So Tomcat apps. Then Apache Tomcat is the path. So select the desired server location. Select the desired server location. Tomcat 9. It is giving okay, finish. So you can see here at the bottom we got Tomcat 9.x. So right click on this one, they start the server. So it started the server, I think. Whoa, 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 whoa. 8080, the server has started. So what you do is you right click on this one and say start server, then stop server. What happened? Go on. Unknown server. What's the problem? Right click. Okay. Let us do one thing. Already we are running the server. Let us stop this one. Control C. That will end. So let us again try start server. Yeah. Now it is asking allow. Is the binary started? You can see here the server has started. Okay. So if you want to stop the server, just right click there and say stop server. Because we were already running the server, it didn't execute it start server because it was already running. So just Control C in the command prompt, then stop the server. So this is going to stop our server. You can see here at the left hand side, Tomcat 9x is stopped. So this is how we are going to configure any server. And I have Tomcat 9.x. If you want to work on 7, 6, 8, whatever you wish. So we can run on multiple servers. Simply add the server here by clicking on the plus symbol. Okay, there we have a plus symbol. Create a new server, just add the path, actual path. Okay, so you can add as many number of servers, but you can run only one server at a time. Don't forget that you can run only one server at a time. Are we sharing the right screen? Yeah. Okay. So you can run only one server at a time. So remaining you need to stop. So now what we want to do is we want to publish the var file. So if you see here, we are having the target folder. In this target folder, we are having demo1.var. Demo1.var. What you do is right click on this demo1.var and you will be having one option run in Tomcat. Where is that option? Run on server. Okay. So here we are having run on server. So this is what we need to select. Right click and say run on server. So it is asking you which server, Tomcat 9.x. Now before clicking on this, let us go to the browser and see in Tomcat Manager, we have these files. So I'll refresh this one. Tomcat Manager HTML. Oh, what happened? Localhost 8080. Let us, whether the server is running. No, server is not running. Server is stopped. Okay. So here I'll try to run the server, then we'll stop the server again. Start the server. My server is started. I'll go with localhost 8080C. We didn't refresh, it got loaded. So if you see here, we have doc, example, host manager, and manager. Only four are there, slash docs, examples, host manager, and manager. So let us go there, right click, stop server. Then at the left hand side, we have demo1.var. Right click on that, run on server. Click on run on server. So it is asking you which server. I'm saying Tomcat 9.x. Do you want to, just a second. Yeah, right click. So you can see here demo1.var. Here already we have added this one to server. Run on server we said. Then it said Tomcat 9x. When we say Tomcat 9x, do you want to edit the optional deployment parameters? Say no, we don't want to edit the optional parameters. So if you see here, the Tomcat 9x has started. And you can see that Tomcat first project target demo1.var file is added. Tomcat first project where file has been added. Now let us go back to this browser, this window. Okay, now here we don't have any demo. So if you see here, when we refresh the page, we got demo 1. We got demo 1. So one method is click on this demo 1. You can see the output hello Ali. Okay, because we configured in JSP page. So the other option that we have over here is, let me come back. Let us go back to this visual code editor and click on this. Just say, click on this one and run on what we are getting. Run on. So run on browser. One option must be there. Open timeline renamed. Open in integrated terminal. No. Reveal in file explorer. Open to open with demo one dot. Yeah, let me try here. I need to get here remove deployment only option I'm getting. So Tomcat apps output. So here we need to get one run option. Tomcat, GitHub, Git, Maven for Java, server Tomcat, JSON, Maven for Java, no, to the left side. So otherwise we do one thing, right click to demo one. So demo one is the project, right? Right click on demo one, open in integrated terminal. Open in browser must be there. Open in browser. Anyhow, demo1.war file. Open in browser. Can't find. Open in browser. Demo1 index.jsp. No. Okay. So actually here we need to get right click demo run on option. Run on browser. I'm finding no. So Maven demo1.var run on server is there. Run on browser option is not there. Select to compare debug on server. Okay. Anyhow, let us come back. So here we'll be having in manager. Just click on demo one. So here you can see the output. So this is how we configure the files. So here we have modified the JSP. So you may say, sir, let us modify again. So let us get back. Let us go to index.jsp. Here hello is there. So let us change this Ali to hello. We are learning Tomcat, sorry, servlets in next program. Okay, let me save this file. Let us go back, just refresh that once. It is not working. Why? Because we have created a var file, we deployed the var file. So what we need to do is again create the var file, again deploy that var file. Okay. So then only that output will be reflected. So you have to again follow the steps of creating the var file, again uploading on the server. So if you say here, so already we have this file running, demo1.var file. Okay. So if you get back, so here we are having demo one. Okay, I'm refreshing. Now I don't want this demo one app. I want to remove this one. Simply come here, right click on Tomcat, remove deployment. Click on remove deployment. So terminal. So this must be deployed, removed from deployment. Let us see. Let us go back to manager, reload. Demo one is gone. Demo one is gone. Now what you do is you modify this particular hello world. We are learning servlets in next program. Generate the demo.var file. Generate the demo.var file. Then again upload that var file. Okay. So now let us write one generic servlet program. So let us come to Visual Code Editor. So here at the left hand side, you can see source, first project, demo one. So source. So you can create one folder. So just a second. So here, when we select the web, sorry, main, and say create a folder. In src main, create a folder. So let us create a Java program over here. So what we are going to do is here we are going to write Java in small case letters. Okay, so Java folder is created. In this Java folder, let us start one class. So I'm going to create my first generic servlet class. So I say here first dot Java. Okay, so first generic servlet dot Java. So press enter. So import Java dot, sorry, just let us write class. Second public enter to confirm. Why? What is happening here? Okay. First generic servlet public class so let us write extends generic servlet. Extends first generic servlet. So in order to implement this one, we have to import package. Okay, we have to import a package. So import java dot java x dot servlet dot, oh, we have written here first generic servlet, right? Extends generic servlet. Okay. So here we are going to write the code. So before that, let us change this index.jsp file. Okay. So let us change this file to, let me remove this h2 tag over here. Let me copy this one. So what I do is I'll change this index.jsp, rename it to index.html. So rename index.html. I don't want to implement a JSP file. So we got index.html. So here what we are going to do is we are going to create a form. In that form, we are going to create one username and one submit button. So let us write form action is equal to display. Form action is equal to display. So in this form, we are going to create one text box. So input type is equal to text, name is equal to username, then input type is equal to submit, value is equal to, go ahead, then close the form tab. So what we are doing over here is we are going to create a form. So that form is going to go to display whenever we click on that submit button. So we have a text box. You can add as many number of components that you like. So you can use a username, a password, or you can have a registration form. So it's your wish. What you want to display, you can display. Okay. So this is index.html. Then what we are going to do is we are going to configure the web inf. We are going to configure the web.xml file, so web.inf. So in web.inf, we are having web.xml. So here we are having display name. Let's be created archetype created web application, whatever it is. Let us add some tags for this one. So we have tags like servlet, uh, servlet. So this servlet tag is having a closing servlet tag. So slash servlet. So here in the servlet tag, let us add some more tags. So let us write servlet hyphen name. Say I'm going to give S1. You can give any name. Service slash servlet hyphen name. So in servlet tag, we are writing servlet name tag. Okay. So we have a class. So which class we have here? Demo class. So here first GenericServlet.java is there. Okay. So when we compile this program, it is going to give us first GenericServlet.class file. So let me copy this name. Let us come to this web.xml file. Now here, let us write servlet hyphen class file. Paste it. Then slash servlet hyphen class file. So here we are saying that first generic servlet is a class. First generic servlet is a class that we are going to have over here. Don't write dot class. Okay. So this is regarding servlet class. Then we have a servlet mapping. Servlet name, servlet mapping. Servlet mapping. Let us write the closing tag even. Just a second, I'm sharing the same pixel screen. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Inside servlet mapping, let us write again the servlet name. So servlet name tag. So whatever the name that we are having over here, the same name must be again written over here. So S1 slash servlet name. Then now here what we are going to do is we are going to give a URL pattern. URL hyphen pattern. So now what is the URL pattern for this particular class file? So when this first generic servlet dot class file must be executed. So what we are going to do is our plan is whenever we are going to open this index.html file, sorry, where is my index.html? Yeah, here. Index.html file, whenever we open this index.html file, when we click on this submit button, it must go to display. Okay, it must go to display. So this display is the Java or what do you say, Java file. Okay, so here servlet URL pattern is slash demo. From where we got this demo? From this index.html file. From this index.html file, whatever the word action you write here, the same action must be written in web.xml with a slash symbol, slash demo. Then close the URL pattern, slash URL pattern. So what we are doing, we are building this servlet name with this class and this URL. Sorry, this URL. We are building this class name S1 with this particular class file with this particular URL. So this is what we are doing in web app. Just save this file. Save this file. Then let us come back to generic servlet. So what happens? We are having two files. One is index.html. We are having a username. We are having submit. Whenever the submit is pressed, the display URL is going to go. It is going to fetch this what is a dot class file. So this dot class file is having this username to be picked up. So let us come to this generic servlet. Extends generic servlet and throws. So it extends generic servlet. generic servlets will have one service method. So we write public service service method. Now this service method will have one request, one response. So because we are writing a generic servlet, we have a generic servlet will have a servlet request and a servlet response. Just a second, let me move this. You're sharing the screen. Okay. Am I sharing the screen? Yes. So what we are going to do here is we are going to have two parameters. One is servlet request, another one is servlet response. So here servlet request REQ, sorry, you can write any name. I'm taking the variable as REQ, and servlet response RES. Now this function is capable of throwing two types of exceptions. So throws IO exception, comma, servlet exception. So IO exception and servlet exception. Servlet exception. One second. EXCEPTI1. Okay. Servlet exception. So what we are getting here, we are getting from index.html one username. We are getting one username. So this data type of this username is string data type. The data type of this data type is string data type. So what we write here, string name is equal to request dot get string. So what is the name? Copy paste, sorry, Control Z. Let us take the name from here. Putting the controls. Username, copy. So here username. Request dot get parameters. Sorry. Request dot get string. Get string is not the right one. Get parameter. Get parameter. What is that parameter? Username. Suppose you are having first name, second name, last name, maybe age, etc. Just change string to the relevant data type and get that parameter. So here we are having get that parameter username. Then what we have, we need a class, an object that prints on the HTML page. So for that, print writer is a class. Print writer PW is equal to get a writer. Print writer is equal to get writer. Now what we want to display? We want to display the name that is received from that HTML file. So pw.println. So here we provide first HTML tag, then body tag. So you can also provide title, whatever you wish. So pw dot. Now let us display the name of that particular user who has clicked that particular thing. So I'll give a h1 tag, h1. So welcome to italic plus the name variable plus, sorry, plus double quotes. So here let us close /i slash h1. H1 tag is not closed. Yeah, h1 tag. Okay, so we are saying h1, welcome to, in italic, we are displaying the name that we received. Then we are going to display, this is your first generic servlet. So pw dot println in a paragraph tag, p tag, /p, this is your first servlet. Okay, this is your first generic servlet. Nothing more than this. Then let us close the body tag and HTML tag. pw.println, so sorry, double quotes slash body slash HTML. So this ends our print writer. Print writer is going to print HTML body, print welcome to that name, whatever we received as username. Print writer, this is your first generic servlet body HTML. So we have saved this program. So let us save this one, Control S. Now we need to compile this program. Okay, we need to compile this program. What we do is we ask for a new terminal. So we have a terminal option here. Let us go to terminal option. So here we are in demo one. Let us come down. So we are in demo option. So first save this file, save whatever the files that we have modified, web apps, everything is saved. Just check out index.html, save, web.xml, save. Okay. So after saving all the files, then say mvn clean means I want to remove the var file. Sorry, not here. Let us save. If you can see at the left hand side, you are having target. I want to remove this target. Okay. So what I say, mvn clean, mvn clean. Now what it is going to do, it is supposed to remove the var file. If you see at the left hand side, the var file target folder is removed. Okay. So then we say we want to compile the Java programs. So we say here we don't have source folder. Okay. Class folder. So we say mvn compile. So whenever you want to update the program, you have to follow these steps. Error. What happened? 8 or later, what happened? Index.jsp. So we are getting the issue with 7. Okay. Use 8 or later. So what we do is we open pom.xml. In pom.xml, we find Maven. So Maven, just a second. Yeah, here we have 1.7. So 7 must be changed to 8. Let us change to 8. Save this file. Yes. We want to synchronize. Yes. Share screen. Okay, great. So now let us clean. MVN clean. MVN clean. MVN compile. I should not give error. What happened? Now it is Java errors. Compilation failure. First generic cannot find symbol. GenericServlet. Unable to find the class GenericServlet. Okay. So let us go to first GenericServlet. Now we are getting errors. So star dot GenericServlet. Save. Okay, let me remove this one. Extends. GenericServlet. What happened? GenericServlet. Why it is not supporting? Extensions. Servlet request. Servlet response. Get writer. Res dot get writer. What happened? String is capital. Oh, these many issues. Servlet response, servlet, servlet, generic servlet import, Java X dot, servlet dot GenericServlet. What is happening? GenericServlet is giving error. So here we have dependencies. Yeah, we are having JUnit dependencies. Okay. Now here we need to change this JUnit dependencies to javax.servlet. javax.servlet. Change the artifact. Sometimes it will be JUnit, sometimes it may be something else. So we'll change this one javax.servlet hyphen API. Servlet API. javax.servlet.api. So version need to be changed to 4.0.1. Then scope, let us have a test. Scope or provided scope. Provided scope, then dependency. Let us save this form file. Support Java TM. A build file was modified. Do you want to synchronize? Yes, synchronize it, please. So Tomcat is stopped anyhow. So let us see again. Save this one. Form file 4.0.1 MVN clean. Come on. Start recording. Sharing is in progress. Okay, good. Then what happened? MVN compile. Come on. Don't give error this time, please. It's error with this one. First GenericServlet. Why this error is coming? What is the name of the file? First GenericServlet. Response quick. So import servlet response. Okay. Import servlet exception. Import servlet exception. Now I think this must work. So MVN clean. Save this file once again. MVN clean. CLS MVN compile. Come on. Don't stop. MVN package. Thank God. Now we got target. Good, great, going good. Classes. In classes, we got dot class file, a demo. Okay, great. So we start the server. Start server. Server started. Now let us move this var file. Right click. Run on server. So let us go to our browser. Reload. Let's check whether it is demo1.var. Run on server. Here it is not coming. Started demo1.var. Just a second. Target. Just demo1.var Maven run on server. Come on, come on, come on, start it. Terminal, what happened? Terminal. Here. Okay. So I'll try to upload from here. So the other option, okay. Choose file. I'll try to upload from here. This PC, the other option, let us try. If not picking, D drive. This PC, D drive, Tomcat apps, first project, demo1, target, demo1.var, open. Come on, darling. Deploy. Yeah, now we got demo1. So it is asking go ahead. So Muhammad Ali Sheikh, go ahead. Oh man, what happened? Just a second. Username. So that's the problem. So coming to generic servlet, we are using username, correct? No issue. Username is equal to display display save web.xml. URL is display. I have given here demo. No, demo is right. Is it demo or display? Demo is right. Index.html display. Here we are writing a demo. Oh, come on, man. Display. Is it demo or display? It is demo one. Display. Save this file. I have changed here to display. Save this file. Let us go to terminal back. Let me stop the server. No, not required. So go to terminal, mvn clean, mvn compile, mvn package. Now let me try here. Servers, Tomcat started, no issue. So target demo mvn demo1.var, try to run on server. Tomcat 9x, great. No. Now I think this is running. So reload, continue. What happened? Localhost some issue 8080 manager app demo1. So Muhammad Ali Sheikh, go ahead. God, we finally obtained it. Okay. So that's it in this video. Have a great learning ahead. All the best.